So I finally took a quick position in Mindtree right now. 735.41 is the price. So I was just looking at it. It just spiked up. So 733, I guess it was. So it just spiked up by the time I put the order. But anyways, we were observing few stocks of these. Almost 2 rupees will come. 2 rupees will be the 0.3%. Yeah. So the minimum movement was done. Now I just want to see from my level how much it can go, because the market is a bit neutral. So if you see the market over here, it opened little bit gap down and then went little bit down and then started recovering to top. So keeping that in mind only, I just took a buy trending stock, so that when the market goes up I can take advantage. Okay, currently it is an overall zone. If you say, it's in neutral only, so from negative neutral it has come to positive neutral, that's all. So during this fluctuations I just took a stock which is traded well, the volumes is good and the percentage is not bad, so I just took it. So yes, it will take some time. It's a 7 rupees stock, so there will be a fluctuation, good fluctuations in this, and it has to break its own high. Okay, so here we go with a spike today. So to 37.40. So this is a 0.3% profit. So this is the 0.3 crossed. So it's a quick movement today. The market is okay, slowly entering into positive zone. So during that time, stocks will have some advantage, right? So that is what you are seeing, that advantage is going on right now. So the highest till now was 741.20. So that was a quick spike only. So if you see from here, it was a spike. Okay. A bit of profit booking is going on. Overall, the stock is touched 3% of profit. If you see, yeah, now it depends on the market also. Market continues to go up, these stocks get advantage. So it was just a rough calculation. Come on, can it break again? Seven 39, 738. 739.45. All right, some red candles has been started. Retracement, or I would say a dip, whichever technical terms we use. So that's a small dip going on. Let's see where Nifty is heading to. Is it supporting or not? Nifty is also turning bit, so there is an impact already. Now I don't want Nifty to come down like this because there was a good rally till now, right? If you see a good rally, so I don't want Nifty to trade within this range, or else it will become a range bound market. So okay, so I don't want that. I just want it to be a trending market. I wish it could continue up and go. After some time, take a turn, green candle start, and that's what I'm expecting, so that I can get more advantage on my stock. That's it. So as of now, 38 still. So like it's more than 0.3%. Okay, 737.40 only will give me 0.3%. 2 rupees is the target. I'm just curious to see, because just a speculation that if market can break a bit, I can get some advantage. 12,000 market is test 12,000. That is a very strong mark, this 12,000 value. I want that to be a support over here and then continue up from now on, little bit at least, so that these stocks will get some advantage. 39. Come on, break your own high. 39.50. One spike. It's taking time. Whenever a stock corrects itself by having a red like this, next time when it comes up, normally it gets stronger. So that's how my experience have told me. So once it takes a dip, it gets stronger because it needs time to breathe, and when it comes back with more volume and energy, they say. So that's the reason whenever a dip comes, I don't panic sometimes, because there may be a upgoing, or sometimes very rarely the stock tends to go down and down and down. So that happens. It's not that it will not happen, but yeah, normally a dips come, and post that there will be a good volume. But as of now, I think the stock is already up, and I think, see, if Nifty is continuing green and green, it's a good thing for me. Time is 54, 55, 56 seconds are moving. Come on, next seconds also be green. Come on. Okay, so it has started now. Please continue. It should be higher and higher. The candle should be higher high. That is when the trend goes good. It's Aikanashi candle, guys. Alright, come on, it's going. It is just it was just closer to the high. 740 it has gone now. Okay. No, come on, the market is still in the same area, and the stock, come on, no, a red candle again. $739.25. Okay, so again 739.80. 740 is being a barrier right now. 740, 740, 740. Okay, little bit. I think market has come down. Come on, boy. $739.40. Where is my order? This is my order. It's not breaking the 740, right? As of now, it's taking a lot of time. What is the depth? If you check the depth part, 8,000 quantities in that area. but still it is not going because 90 also has some volume. There is a constant push by the stock, just that it needs some advantage, it needs some buyers, and the market also should support. Again, dancing towards 12,000. Red candle, come on, spike up. So most of the time, if you see, after we exit, the stock will go more and more above, and sometime when you think that it will go more and more above and you'll be waiting, it will start coming down. So better idea is to book the profit whatever you like. If you feel that the profit is more than enough, you need to book your profit. That's the only way you can escape certain situations. So is it coming up? No. Again red candle, again red. Come on, will it break this time? No. 7.5 is the last as of now. Again 5.0, there are quantities in 5.0, 5.30 quantities. See, in the buy side is 4 quantity and all that. So that's the reason there is no enough buyers, there is no enough push, there is no enough support also. So 7.5, come on, 7.0, 7.5. Finally they have come near 7.0, 7.5 buyers. They have to continue putting orders now to sustain. Okay, come on, I need to go to gym in 10:30. So before that I want to do something and exit this trade. I don't want to wait too much today. 740, it touched that 740 part again. 5,000 shares in that. Oh, it finally broke. So that's what I was waiting for, that part to break. Now will it go to the high breakout? If you see, the high of this is how much? 41.20. So almost, yeah, we are here. I'm exiting. I don't want too much of, wow, it went to 742 also, but anyway, 741.71. I just exited the stock. 6,000 profit. So my idea was to at least touch 0.3, somewhere around 2,000, I will get. And I didn't want to book 0.3 because I wanted at least 0.6 to 0.7 to get 4,000 rupees today. My target was 4,000 rupees. If the stock was going against me, I would have added little more quantities to average out, but my luck, the stock sustained and went up, and market also, as predicted, from neutral negative, it came to positive. So that was one advantage which I got for this quick trade. And yesterday I paid 4,000 rupees for the internet. So I didn't want to settle down with 2,000. So I thought I will recover my internet fee of yesterday, what I gave for the 2 months. Okay, it's 2,000 per month. So yeah, I don't want to spend from my saving money. So I thought I'll take it out from the market. So yeah, so happy that it crossed more than 4,000. And now I can today go to the gym at 10:30. Later on, there are many important things for the day. Happy news. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I tried to explain a lot of things. Hope you guys are able to connect. So yeah, we will try to do more learning videos also, and I know most of them like live trading videos, and live trading videos is very easy for me because I can just on my screen recorder and record this. So yeah, but definitely when I get time to sit and think, I will definitely sit and record a video on learning also, definitely. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and also share this video. Don't forget to like this video just for my happiness. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.